I've seen many videos on the internet on how to make this almond bark. I've tried quite a few and this is my version. I prefer it this way. It comes out so nice. It's crunchy, it's crispy, and the family loves it. I've just turned the oven on to about 160. I have 2 trays lined with baking paper, and the simplest of ingredients will get the most beautiful almond bark you've ever had. So I've got 400 grams of flaked almonds straight into a bowl, 100 grams of icing sugar straight in, and 3 large egg whites. Use the yolks to make pasta. And 3. Add that straight into your bowl. And I put a pinch of salt in there for beautiful flavour. And some for luck. Now we just give it a really good mix. And that's it. And that's it, ready to go. Get your trays. And divide this mixture roughly. It doesn't have to be even. Don't waste any. And that's it. We just get ourselves offset spatula, and this is all I do. Now that's what you're looking for. Beautiful thin layer, all mixed in well. Doesn't have to be perfect around the outside. Just into the oven till they're nice and golden. I'll let you know exactly how long mine are in there for when we come back. Welcome back. These have been in the oven for about 25 minutes. The last 5 minutes, I just turned it down to about 140, 150, just so as they would really crisp up. Have a look at those. You don't want to start breaking them up as soon as they come out of the oven. They've got to be nice and cool to firm up and be really crisp. I'll show you exactly what I do with them. Just gonna get a little plate. Not that they'll last long, but listen to this. And that's all we do. Break them up into little bits. Oh, yum. And we just get a little bit of icing sugar on the top. You don't have to, but I do. And that's them, my almond bark. Taste test. Oh, Wow. Thank you for watching Nonna Gina's Food Adventures. And if you'd like to see more of my recipes, don't forget, hit the like button and subscribe down below, and you'll always get all my recipes. Ciao.